Hi guys, how are you? In this video, I tell you about 5 types of oil rig accidents. So, working in oil drilling sites exposes workers to various types of oil rig accidents that can cause injuries and deaths. According to Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, 44 workers got fatally injured on around 431 oil rigs in Texas. Notably, the injuries resulted from various types of oil rig accidents. What types of oil rig accidents are there? An oil rig accident can have devastating impacts on the worker's health and well-being. It can cause life-threatening injuries that keep highly skilled workers away for many months or years. That's why safety should be your top priority. Here are the different types of oil rig accidents can be fatal. Number one, explo- explosion injuries. Uh, Second, transportation accidents. Third, exposure to harmful chemicals. Fourth, limb accidents. And fifth, electrical problems. So we talk about number one, explosion injuries. Oil rigs deal with flammable oil and gases like hydrogen sulfide that can cause fire and explosives when ignited. Explosions can cause burn injuries, loss of limbs, and death. Oil rig operators need to install breakers and incept fire safety tools to avoid this. And we talk about second, which is transportation accidents. Lifting heavy equipment from one point to another without adequate support can cause neck and back injuries. Accidents can occur when you move things without a back belt or brake. It can cause sprains and herniated discs. Mitigate these injuries by using the correct equipment when you need to lift heavy objects. Uh, Third, exposed to harmful chemicals. Harmful substances like crude oil, chemical solvents, and drilling fluids may contain toxic chemicals. These chemicals can damage the skin, eyes, and lungs or cause a brain injury. Chemical can cause rashes, chemical burns, allergic reaction, and respiratory issue when engaged. Use safety measured when handling these chemicals like wearing protection. And four is limb accidents. Limb accidents like erections, amputations, or crushing injuries can be traumatizing. A worker can get crushed by hydraulic machinery or hit by falling objects to cause limb injuries. According to EHS today, limb injuries account for 50% of total incidents in oil and gas industry. And here is fifth, electrical problems. Oil drilling sites require electrical devices like computers, telephones, and chemical labels powered by diesel generators. If the insulation around the wiring gets damaged, it can electrocute unsuspecting workers. Regular inspection of electrical wires is essential. Exercise extreme caution when on an oil rig. Follow all the safety instructions laid out by the company in charge of oil rig. Safety first for a reason. Proper safety measures are essential to avoid potential oil rig accidents. Workers need to put on protective gear such as hard helmets, safety glasses, and flame resistant clothing. Also, oil rig equipment requires routine maintenance to prevent accidents. Safety is a priority to BOP products. Operating oil rigs is one of the most dangerous jobs because of the various types of rig accidents common in oil field drilling sites. Since blockouts are a common cause of oil field accidents, install Blowout prevents waters from BOP products to prevent the kicks.